Hello, I'm doing my career connection. The book I chose was The Giving Tree. This story is about a young boy who is often at this tree taking things off the tree. The tree gives the boy all she can, including her apples to sell, branches to build a house, and her stump to build a boat. In the end, when the boy is an old man, the tree is saddened, since she has nothing else to offer, until the man comes and sits on her stump as a resting place. The connection to this book for me was like I'm the kid and my parents are the tree. My parents have given a lot to me over the years and just give, and now I'm getting to an age where I don't need as much from them. And so just the quality time, like sitting on the stump or just hanging out with my parents, talking on the phone, whatever it takes, that means the most now, since they're not giving and giving and giving. The author to this book is Shel Silverstein. His first book published in 1963. He was a singer, and he was also known for being an amazing poet. I learned about this guy as a young kid in classes, and I read a lot of his books, as he has a lot of great books for young kids. My connecting book was Rainbow Fish. This book talks about how there was a unique fish who didn't want to give away his scales that made him so unique, but once he did, it was satisfying to him to see all the other fish happy with his scales, and it made him at peace. I have a video I can add on to this. It's just a reading of the book at the very end of it. Give me 1 second. 1 second. Gotta get it set up. Okay.
Rainbow Fish had only one shining scale left. His most prized possessions had been given away. Yet, he was very happy. "Come on, Rainbow Fish," they called. "Come and play with us." "Here I come," said the Rainbow Fish, and happy as a splash, he swam off to join his friends.
There was a video, and then my connection between these two books. 1 second, please. My connection between these two books, I chose these two books because I feel as though younger me could relate to them. They both teach to give to others and be thankful for what you have. All young kids can learn from this. These are two very valuable lessons in life. And both these books mold them together and show an easy way for kids to learn those two valuable lessons that we will carry for a long ways. And that's all. Thank you.